When the power goes out, most people don't realize just how fast you can lose everything in your refrigerator. And a lot of the times, by the time you even figure out how or that you're going to fix it, it's too late. You've already lost everything. Generators help, but let's be honest. They take a lot of fuel, they're very noisy, and who has one of those just sitting around waiting for that moment when it goes out? A lot of the solar systems are much more complicated than they need to be. So in this video, I'm going to show you a solar system that can keep your refrigerator running in a power outage. But I'm also going to make sure that it's simple enough that anyone can put it together and have an operational system so the next power outage they don't lose anything in their refrigerator. Now, this is the system right here. As you can see, we have the batteries that store the power for you. In addition to that, we have an inverter, which takes that battery power that's been stored and makes it available to your refrigerator and other appliances. We have solar panels that collect energy when the sun is out. It passes it up to the charge controller, and that charge controller can in turn give it to the batteries to start the cycle of life over again and charge those batteries up so that it's available the next time that the power goes out. In this system, you will see the batteries, which store all the power that is necessary to keep your refrigerator operational when the power is out. But more importantly, it has the inverter, which takes that battery power and creates the correct type of electricity so that your refrigerator can run seamlessly even though the power is out. Now, don't forget the other two important devices. The first one is the solar panels, which collect the sun's energy when the sun is out and pass it along to the charge controller that in turn gives it to the batteries in a safe manner for it to use to charge those batteries back up to start this cycle over again. Remember, this isn't about running everything. This is about having a reliable way to keep one item operational during a power outage, your refrigerator. I actually put together this exact system in a free diagram, and you can download it and see how everything is connected. Now, if you actually want to build this system, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you every connection, every wire that you'll need, even with a parts list and a complete source of where you can buy every item in the system. And to wrap this up, I just want to say this is probably the simplest and most useful solar system you can build.